selfie-oriented niche may be a small one, but still active. Every now and then the manufacturer will launch a phone with a high-resolution front camera, assisted by an LED flash, and some software enhancements to boost your self-made mugshots. Today, we take a look at the Asus ZenFone 4 Selfie Pro. As you are probably guessing by the name, it's a phone that wants to appeal to the social networking, selfie-loving crowd. This one ups the ante with a secondary, wide-angle selfie camera on the front, and a portrait mode for both the front and rear-facing snappers. When first laying eyes on the ZenFone 4 Selfie Pro, one is met with a pleasant, contemporary design. The device is wrapped in matte finished metal and has a thin profile, which feels quite pleasant in the hand. The home button on the bottom is a capacitive plaque, which also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. We've got backlit back and recent taps buttons surrounding it. The power button and volume rocker are both placed on the right, with the latter being just a tad bit higher than we would have liked. Still, all controls are in a reasonably reachable spot. The physical buttons have a very reassuring click to them, though they're just a bit shallow.